Now we go to a game called Scenes from a Hat. This is for all four competitors. If you'd like to come down. Here's the hat. Now, into the hat have been put names of little scenes as written out by members of the studio audience before the recording started. And you just have to come in and do as many of these as you can in the time available. And I'll buzz when I've got the idea of each of them. Start with people who failed the auditions for Swan Lake. The good, the bad, and the ugly.
We still waiting for ugly?
Oh, here he is. Here he is.
Oh, dear.
Fortune cookies that tell the truth.
You're a cheap bastard and you won't leave a tip.
Hey! A mailman at a dog show. A mail postman. Yes. Well, they only bite the postman in England. Speed the mail. Pointless things to take on a polar expedition.
I brought the umbrella.
Cuisinart. Ice cubes.
Bad ice cream flavours.
Have you tried the pork?
Yes. Any game can end on the line, have you tried the pork? Any games I like. Anyway, a snake swallowing a pig or a cow. Give me a choice there.
Yeah, that'll be $50.
Let's end on this one. Auctioneers at home.
I need some popcorn. I need some popcorn in the kitchen. Flush the toilet. You keep it. Put the lid down. You. Bring me a drink.
I didn't see coming by in the bathroom. Gotta go to the bathroom.
You were waiting all too long.
So,
Hey, come on, to watch TV. We're gonna watch my show. Right now, go to jail.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much indeed. Right. Excellent. Well, I have to give some points for the performances there. That's that.